Stay connected with NEF for the latest updates on events like ED Talk and Shiksha Sagar. At the National Education Forum, NEF, we are dedicated to bringing you the most relevant and timely information regarding the latest developments in education. By staying connected with NEF on our social media platforms, you can ensure that you never miss out on exciting events like ED Talk and Shiksha Sagar. These events and initiatives are designed to foster knowledge sharing, innovation, and collaboration in the field of education, and being part of our online community gives you the opportunity to be in the know and actively engaged. Why you should follow, subscribe, and comment on NEF's social media. 1. Stay updated on key educational events. By following NEF on social media, you'll get instant access to the latest updates on upcoming events such as ED Talk and the release of Shiksha Sagar. These events bring together thought leaders, educators, and innovators to discuss important trends and issues in education. Whether it's a virtual talk, a seminar, or the release of a new issue, you'll be the first to know. 2. Get exclusive insights and information. Following NEF allows you to receive exclusive updates and content about educational trends, key speakers, event highlights, and much more. Our social media channels are filled with valuable information that will keep you informed about the latest developments in education, both at the national and global levels. 3. Join a vibrant community of educators and leaders. NEF's social media platforms are a hub for like-minded educators, administrators, and thought leaders. By engaging with us, you'll become part of an interactive community where you can share ideas, participate in discussions, and network with fellow professionals in the education sector. It's a space to connect, learn, and collaborate. 4. Engage with NEF's content and share your voice. Subscribing and commenting on NEF's posts gives you the opportunity to actively engage with our content. Whether it's sharing your thoughts on a recent ED Talk, providing feedback on an issue of Shiksha Sagar, or contributing your insights on educational topics, your voice matters. Your comments and contributions help shape the direction of conversations and bring more value to the community. 5. Access to educational resources and opportunities. By following NEF on social media, you get early access to valuable resources, upcoming events, and opportunities for professional development. From webinars and workshops to career opportunities and publications, NEF keeps you informed about the best resources available to help you grow in your career and improve educational outcomes.
6. Be part of a national movement for educational excellence. NEF is committed to advancing educational standards across the country. By staying connected with us, you are actively participating in a national movement to elevate the quality of education. Your involvement in our events and conversations is a step towards creating a more informed, empowered, and progressive educational landscape. 7. Be the first to hear about future initiatives.